Welcome to Gadget Explained. Introducing the Creative Outlier Free Pro, the true outlier in the world of audio technology. These wireless bone conduction headphones redefine your auditory experience while keeping your ears open to the world around you. Dive deeper into their remarkable features and performance as we explore what sets them apart. Bone conduction technology relays sound through vibrations on your cheekbones, allowing you to enjoy audio while staying aware of your surroundings. IPX8 waterproof rating, designed for activities like swimming, providing protection against freshwater submersion up to 1.5 meters for 40 minutes. 8 GB built-in memory. Enjoy standalone music playback without relying on a phone, but no option to expand the internal memory. 5.5 hours of playtime. Average battery life for earbuds, with a 2-hour charging time and no quick charge feature. Bluetooth 5.3 with multi-point connectivity. Smooth wireless connection to 2 devices simultaneously, but only one device can access playback or call function at a time. Comfortable outer ear wearing style. No sweaty earpads or in-ear discomfort, with a malleable titanium alloy frame and soft silicone finish. Secure fit for active use. Stay in place during vigorous activities, though the weight and bulk may be noticeable. 3 physical rubber buttons. Responsive controls for volume, voice assistant, calls, and track skipping. Comparison to Creative Outlier Free. Upgraded IPX8 rating and 8 GB memory are notable improvements, but overall features and performance remain similar. While the Creative Outlier Free Pro offers a unique audio experience and impressive features like waterproofing and built-in memory, it's important to consider the drawbacks. Sound leakage may be an issue. Audio fidelity and bass response are not on par with traditional headphones. Ambient noise interference is present, and achieving a comfortable fit can be challenging for some. However, if you're looking for a different audio experience and prioritize features like waterproofing and memory, the Creative Outlier Free Pro may be the perfect choice for you. For a full in-depth review, check out GadgetExplained.com. Next up is the volume, latency tests, following by the unboxing with user guide. Enjoy!